Dry run.
You'll see. Today I want to talk about your homeowner's deductible options. Hi, this is Charlie Sternberg. Join me as I answer 30 questions in 30 days, hoping to inspire and educate you with all things insurance. Now let's talk about the amount of your deductible. It really is completely personal preference. I have customers that have $1,000 and $2,500 deductibles. Those are the most common. I wouldn't recommend a $500 deductible just because it's so low, it's going to drive up the cost of your annual premium, and the chance of you actually using your homeowner's insurance is probably a lot lower than the auto insurance that you carry. Well, personally, I have a $2,500 deductible on my home. It really is just personal preference, but I look at my homeowner's policy as catastrophic coverage. So I know that I'm not going to put in a claim for a small, $600, $700, $800 claim. I'm going to use my policy for that fire, God forbid, or the pipe that bursts and caused $25,000 worth of damage in my home. But it's really up to you. It's however the amount that you feel most comfortable with for your particular situation. Now, you really need to pay attention to the different deductibles on your policy. You would think you just have one deductible, and that's it. But actually, there are two separate deductibles usually on a policy. One is for wind and hail, and the other is for all other events. And that wind and hail deductible can be expressed in terms of a percentage of your coverage A amount, which is the amount that you've insured your home for, the replacement cost. So you think you have a $1,000 deductible on your home, but then you have a hailstorm, you go to file a claim, and you find out that your wind and hail deductible is 2% of the amount of your policy. Well, if you've got a $250,000 home, that is a $5,000 wind and hail deductible. You probably wouldn't be too happy about that. Knowing your deductible is important because it's going to help you assess whether or not you should file a claim in the event you have something happen at your house. Look, I know it's not exciting to read through your homeowner's policy, but take 5 minutes this weekend or call your agent and make sure you understand the different deductibles and the amounts that you have set up on your policy. It'll make a big difference in the long run.